Hello, I'm Cheryl Hazel with the Cheryl Hazel Real Estate Team and Realty 100. I have 10 top trends for 2021 that will not only add comfort, but might even add extra value to your home. The first one is a Zoom room. A Zillow survey found a desire for a home with a dedicated office tops the list of reasons why Americans working from home say they would consider a move if they were to continue working remotely, at least occasionally. The second one is staycation amenities. Pool was the top Zillow keyword search term in 2020. Waterfront and dock also landed in the top 10. Additionally, homeowners want to create a luxury experience at home, upgrading to a spa-like bathtub or a relaxing rain shower. The third one is intergenerational living. According to Generations United, about 1 in 6 Americans currently have multi-generational households. In 2020, the share of young people moving back home reached all-time highs as millennials and Gen Z, particularly renters, moved in with their parents. The fourth one is gourmet kitchens. With stay-at-home orders, many brushed up on their culinary skills, which has spawned a desire for gourmet kitchens. The fifth one is backyard oasis. A Zillow survey from a Harris poll found that 41% of people say they value a large outdoor space as a result of social distancing recommendations. And the sixth one is smart and safe tech. With a desire to lessen the number of germs in the home, buyers are increasingly looking for items like touchless appliances and faucets, self-cleaning toilets, and more. The seventh one is small city living. With more opportunities for working remotely, buyers are looking into smaller, more affordable communities and open spaces. And 8, health and wellness areas. If you don't feel safe going to a gym, having an area in your home dedicated to your health and wellness is ideal. Number 9 is pet-friendly living. Pet adoptions increased in 2020, so home buyers and renters are looking for more pet-friendly features, such as pet shower or dog wash area. And number 10 is new construction. More than a quarter of buyers who bought new construction did so to customize home features, while 37% chose new construction because everything in the home was new and never used, according to a 2020 Zillow survey. Click the link in the description for access to this information, or feel free to contact me on my cell phone at 754-207-4504, and have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, check out one of the videos below. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and to get the free download that accompanies this video, click the link below. And have a great day.